Order these numbers from least to greatest. In order to change numbers from least to greatest, if you're given decimals and fractions, what you're going to want to do is write them all as decimals. You're already a decimal, so I'm going to leave you be. 1/2 written as a decimal is going to be 0.5. I already know that. Now, I'm going to look at 7/4, and I'm going to view 7/4 as 7/4, which is like money. So 7/4 is $1.75. So 7/4 is 1 75/100. 1 1/4 is going to be the same thing as 1 25 cents. So I'm going to write U as U. Now I need to order these from least to greatest. I have two numbers whose ones digit is a 0 and two numbers whose ones digit is a 1. So the black and the blue numbers are both going to be the smaller numbers. Now, which one is smaller of the two? 0.5 or 0.6? Well, 0.5 is. Then 0.6. Now I look at my 1.75 and 1.25. Which of these is smaller? Well, 1.25 is smaller than 1.75. Now here's the thing. I have to rewrite them in their original form. 0.5 was originally a half, so I'm going to turn U into a half. 0.6 was a decimal, so I'm going to write it out as a decimal. 1.25 was originally written as 1 1/4. And last but not least, 1.75 was originally written as 7/4. So these are my numbers written from least to greatest.